This is the tape, and this is how simple it works. So you go ahead, lift the tab, pull the piece out, go ahead, rotate this until you find this little strip right here. And then right past that strip, there's going to be the end of the tape. And you kind of take your fingernail and you find that tape. If you have fingernails, great. If you don't, well, you can still get a little piece up like me. Just kind of pull it like this. Then what you do is you push it up above these two little red pieces. So there's this piece and this piece. Pull the tape above that. Go ahead and pull your piece out. And then this is how the tape stays and how it looks. And then you just simply pull and then kind of pull upward. So you pull upward, add some pressure, and there you go. You pull your piece off. The tape's still up top here. And then you got your piece of tape, and this tape is super strong. I mean, I just wrapped it that quick, and it's, yeah, this tape is super strong, guys. I use it for packaging and so much more. You guys are gonna love it.